Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will see how to enable developer option in the mobile. So how to enable developer mode and how to enable USB debugging in the mobile. Just go to the settings, scroll down and go to more settings to go to about phone. Here you can see about phone option. Just click on that. Just scroll down and you can see software version. So on software version click 7 times so that developer mode will be enabled. So known you are already a developer. So I have already did 7 times, so developer mode got enabled. So it is saying it is already enabled. So for you first time you just click 7 times so that developer mode will be enabled. Now we will see how to enable USB debugging so that you can directly install APK file from Android Studio and see the results of the app. Again go to settings. In settings you can go to more settings and scroll down, and here you will find developer options. So there is accessibility and developer options. Just click on developer options and you will get developer options. Just enable here. Just click on OK. These settings are intended for development use only. They can cause your device and the applications on it to break or misbehave. And scroll down. After scroll down you can see USB debugging. Debug mode when USB is connected. Just enable this. USB debugging is intended for development purposes only. Use it to copy data between your computer and your device. Install apps on your device without notification and read log data. So here you can see dev mode. Now we are on dev mode. If you connect your mobile to a laptop where Android Studio is there, the Android Studio will detect your device and you can directly install your Android apps on mobile and check the result. I hope this video is helpful for you. How to enable debugging option and how to enable developer options and how to enable USB debugging options. So for more updates please watch my channel and share videos, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.